All right, y'all. So there's so much misinformation on YouTube and on the internet when it comes to credit repair, credit cards. So I just wanted to go over a couple things. So this was posted earlier, bragging about getting a repossession balance to zero. So what you got to understand is, and I'm going to use this as just an example. Let's say a husband and a wife both had a repossession with a $50,000 balance, and I was able to remove the balance on one of their reports. Whose credit do you think looks better, and whose credit do you think went up? Neither one of them. It does not help. What looks negative on your report is that it was a repossession, not the balance. That it was a charge-off, not the balance. That it went into collections, not the balance. And also, I just wanted to point out how we are really getting to his business, because he's putting out these signs for credit repair, but if you'll notice on each one of the pictures, you don't see Pinnacle Credit Repair or Pinnacle Credit Management. And there's a reason for that. People know he is a scammer. He lives the way he lives because he's in Vietnam and it's dirt cheap to live there. Stop letting this guy scam y'all out of thousands of dollars. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night. Oh, and Creighton, if you're watching this or you do watch this, still waiting on my video so I can stop these videos. Y'all have a great night.